Hello and welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Isamoje. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right into this. So I'm just going to open canva.com, which I usually use for my designs because you guys requested I use canva.com, and I'm trying to make sure you guys get the best of it. Canva is easier. So I'm just going to click canva.com. We're going to open a new tab. Canva is super easy to use. You don't need to download any software on your system. All you need to do is to open the web browser and you're good to go. So we're going to click on create design, custom dimension. Standard is 4500 by 5400. This is the standard. Create design. The concept of my channel is to create t-shirt designs that sell. T-shirt design you can use for inspiration for your own designs. Learn how to do this. Follow my designs, create your design based on mine if you want to, or create your own unique design. But the aim is to always bring out weekly designs that sell on t-shirts, and that is the aim. That's how the channel is going to be. That is the aim. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's go straight right to it. So for this design, the concept is generally about what is going on around the world right now. Protest everywhere, inequality, and also we're going to be building our design based on that. So just come to this left panel, just go back. I already have my element downloaded. Remember, you can get element from canva.com. If you go to text, you can get music files that you can use, video files you can use. Most of them are paid, so you need Canva paid version to do that. But if you check the first link in the description after this video, you can get that for yourself if that's what you want. But I advise you get it because it saves you the stress of buying images, video clips, and the rest from other sites when you can just buy it from here and get everything in one. Why do you need Canva Pro? You need Canva Pro because you don't always want to save your designs with background. You want your designs to always come without background so that you can put on multiple colors of shirts. That's where you sell more and make more passive income doing that. So let's get straight right into the design. We'll go to upload video image. We'll just go to pictures. So for this, gonna be this image. I'm gonna drag it into, I'm gonna upload it into canva.com. I'm gonna upload it into canva.com. So just do that. So it seems like it didn't pick that, so I'm just gonna click on upload again. Pictures. Just find my Black Lives Matter. This is it. So just click on it. Open. So it's going to load up here, as you can see. Once that is done uploading, I'm just going to click on it once. Sorry about that. So I'm just going to click on that. So as you can see, it appears here. We just over our cursor to this edge, any of the four edges. I'll make that bigger. So we're going to make it bigger like so. Please follow me. Follow me. It's quite easy. So now that we have that, we'll have that just like so. So now we have that set up on our background. It's beginning to look up, it's beginning to make sense. So now the next step will be for us to bring in our text. But before then, I'm going to bring in the text box. So to do that, I'll go to elements. I'll just scroll up on this left panel, go to elements. I'll go to elements, and I'm just going to use this. Just gonna use this. As you can see, you always get featured images and the rest. You can use that as much as you want. I'm sure if I type in Black Life here, if I type in Black Life, I should get something. So I should get something from, as you can see. You can see I should get something obviously from here. So you just scroll, you have a lot of images, but that's not what we're doing at the moment. So we're just going to reduce this like so. As you can see what I did, I clicked left mouse click on this, reduce this, and I'll reduce this by clicking on this edge that you can see. I'll press down my left mouse click button and just drag like so. So now we have that Just gonna have that like this. So I'm gonna duplicate these boxes. So now I'm gonna make this. So to duplicate that, I'm gonna do Alt key button and click drag downwards. Another Alt key button and drag downward, just like so. So now we have those three boxes. I'm gonna change them to gray. Because I want to be able to put my designs on black background. So I'm gonna change that to gray. Change that to gray. Just like so. So now that we have that, we're good to go. Or I can just make it black and just make that all black. So we can put it on any other color of shirt apart from black. So now we have that as all black. So now we'll go to text. For the first text, we're just gonna come here. And click on one of these texts. So just find one really cool text from this drop down, like this one. You can see we'll make it bigger, like so. So as you can see, we've made it a little bit bigger. To make it bigger, you just have to go over your cursor to this edge, press your left mouse click button, drag outward or inwards, and you're good to go. So for this, we're good to go with that. So now I'm going to ungroup this layer because I don't want some of the text, obviously. So I'm just going to ungroup, click outside, click back in and get rid of this text, delete. So now we are left with this one, Control A. So now we're just going to do Control V to put in our text. Control V. So I want to change the color, Control A. I want to change the color at first so that I can see it clearly. I want to change the color so I can see what I'm doing clearly. So from here, we're just gonna highlight this and delete that. So we just have the black. So just over our mouse to this edge, click out, move it into this first box, like so. Just like that. You can see. So it says black. So now we're just going to duplicate that like so for the other boxes. So to do that, you click on Alt key button, left mouse click button and drag downwards. So now for this one, Control A, Control V. So now we're just gonna delete this black, delete the black, delete that black, like so. Cut this. We're just gonna cut this out. So now we are left with the black life. So as you can see, design is not complicated. You just have to keep working your way around it. Keep working your way around it and you're good to go. So now that we have that, we're just going to duplicate this layer again. So we'll press our Alt key button on our keyboard, left mouse click button and just duplicate this. And for this last text, we're just going to do matters. As simple as that. As you can see, not complicated at all. Just move that up a bit. And we'll have that in there. And we're good to go. Our design is ready. We just have to click on downloads. Remember, I've always told you in subsequent videos, when you're on Canva, your free version of Canva Pro, you can't get your transparent background, and you need transparent background if you want to stick around print on demand and make money from print on demand t-shirt designs. You always need your transparent background. So I would advise you to get Canva Pro. Is the first link in the description. Get it. I already have a first my link gives you 30 days free. So don't think you're going to pay in the first month. You're not paying in the first month. You're going to get it 30 days free in the first month. So please make sure you get that. So just click on download. Prepare your download. Once your download is prepared, it's going to download automatically for you. So let's wait for that to happen. So as you can see, you have your downloads ready for you. Show folder. And you can see this is it. This is it. So if you click on it, you can see you have your design ready for you and you're good to go. So YouTube would have recommended a video for you to watch next. Make sure you watch that video so that you learn more, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.